drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to match 15 here at the Central Illinois Regional. Scoring going up with Coral on L4 for both alliances. 42-13 Metal Cow Robotics for the Red Alliance. Going up again for another L4 on another Coral on L4, so not quite getting it up there. As the bell rings us into teleop, 16-9 towards the Red Alliance. Terra Cyborg 8880 going up with a Coral on L4. Their alliance partner Metal Cow continuing the work they did in auto and just did the same. Now Terra Cyborg pivoting to Coral scoring, dropping off that Coral in the processor to start building towards that cooperation bonus. First algae shots from human players going up, one in each net, each of those being 4 points to their respective alliances. Looking over to the Blue Alliance side of the field, 62-37 Martin Motion with the orange highlights, running around near their Coral station, pulling in a Coral with their hopper, possibly cycling it down forward, their handoff to their claw. If they can go from there up to a branch on the Coral, on the reef, they can get it up there for some points. They go for L2 for 3 points. Their alliance partner, 66-51 Golden Bots, appearing to go for an algae with their ground collector at this point in time, but pivoting to get a Coral instead, retrieving it from the Coral station and taking it over to the reef for scoring. Going up to L4 for 5 points. Minute 8 to go at this point, 78-43 towards the Red Alliance at this moment in time. 648 QC Elite Flaming Squirrels lining up with their Coral station to possibly try and retrieve a Coral, which they will successfully, placing it into their manipulator to go and score it. Their alliance partner Metal Cow goes up and drops it off for 5. QC Elite possibly trying to do the same if they can get that scoring going. 43 seconds to go. QC Elite still trying a bit to line up. 108-53 at this point in time. Terra Cyborg still working on cycling algae up into their net. QC Elite got a Coral stuck in their frame for a bit, but freed it as Rocket Robotics has now appeared on the Red Alliance side to play some defense for that Blue Alliance. Get in the air as the pings are sounding. If they can get in the air on that deep cage, that's going to be 12 points to the Blue Alliance if they can. They're trying to go up. If they're fully in the air, that's 12 points. That'll be up to further judging as we enter the final 5. Terra Cyborg trying to do the same. They appear to have latched on, but as the buzzer sounds, they remain on the floor. Over to the Red Alliance with a score of 134-63. Red Alliance also carrying that auto ranking point for having all robots leave the start line and scoring that Coral in the autonomous period.